Hello guys, welcome back to CADmake. In today's video we are going to design a double V-block fastener. We will use some of the essential commands and features to bring our sketch into 3D design life. We'll also customize appearance to give our design a professional look. If you're ready, let's get started. Go to the File menu. Click New. Click on Part and click OK. Go to the background scene and click on Plain White. Go to the sketch. Click on Sketch. Choose the top plane. Take the Circle command and draw 12.7 mm diameter circle here in the origin. Zoom it. Click OK. Now go to the Features and click on Extruded Boss command. Click Reverse. Give the extrusion value as 12.7 mm. Click OK. Zoom out. Rotate. Click on this surface. Click Sketch. Take the Circle command and draw 9.25 mm diameter circle here on the origin. Click OK. Go to the Features and take the Extruded Boss command. Zoom out. Give the extrusion value as 45 mm. Click OK. Again click on this surface. Click Sketch. Take the Circle command and draw 6.35 mm diameter circle here in the origin point. Click OK. Now go to the Features and click on Extruded Boss command. Give the extrusion value as 5 mm. Click OK. Rotate and set like this. Zoom it. Click on this edge. Click Chamfer. Also select this face. Give the chamfer value as 0.5 mm at 45 degrees angle. Click OK. Now go to the Hole wizard and click on Thread. Click OK to accept. Click here and select this edge as thread starting location. Click here and select this edge as thread end location. Click Offset. Give the offset value as 2 mm to add more threads at the starting location. Click Reverse. It's perfect now. Again click here on Offset. Give the offset value as 2 mm. Click Reverse. Here we see we have specified 2 mm gap between the edge and threads. Scroll down. Select here Metric Tap. Scroll down. Give the size of the thread as M8 with 1.25 mm pitch. Scroll down. Select here Cut Thread and Right-hand Thread options. Click OK. Here we see we have cut the threads perfectly. Rotate it like this. Zoom it. Here we see end of the thread is not perfect. Click on this face. Click Sketch. Click on Convert Entities. Zoom it. Here we see a sketch has been created. Now go to the Features and click on Extruded Cut command. Choose here Through All. Click OK. It looks perfect and amazing now. Press Ctrl+7 button to make it normal. Now click on the front plane. Click Sketch. Zoom it like this. Take the Circle command. Specify the center point and draw a 3.25 mm diameter circle here. Click OK. Take the Smart Dimension command. Give the distance from this edge to the center point as 6.35 mm. Click OK. Select Origin Point, hold Ctrl or Shift button and select Circle Center Point. Make them vertical. Click OK. Sketch is fully defined. Now go to the features and take the extruded cut command. Zoom in. Select here through all. Click OK. Here we see we have created a perfect throughout hole. It looks perfect and amazing now. Rotate like this. Zoom it. Go to the visual styles and select Real View Graphics mode. Now go to the appearance. Click Metal. Click on Steel and choose the burnished steel. To save this file, go to the File menu. Click on Save. Give the destination folder. Give the file name as Fastener. Click Save. It's enough for today. I hope you enjoyed. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share and comments. Thanks for watching.